Have you ever heard sound through something other than air? Maybe you've heard sound through water in a pool or the ocean, or through a wall or door. That's because sound not only moves through air, it can also move through solids and liquids too. First graders, we are now going to investigate communicating with sound. The question we're going to investigate is, how can you communicate with sound? People use telephones to communicate. In some phones, sound travels through wires from one phone to another. You can model how this kind of communication works. So to do our investigation, first I'm going to review the materials and then the steps. After, I will do the experiment with you on the next Nearpod slide. So let's look and see what materials we need. We need 2 cups with slits. Now, if you have a plastic cup, that seems to work the best. You will also need some string and 2 paper clips. You can see the paper clips are attached to the ends of the string. Step 1. Put a paper clip through the slit in each cup. Step 2. Work with a partner. Hold the 2 cups apart. Do not pull too hard. Before you separate, you might want to stretch the string out because you're going to want it to be as taut or as straight as possible. Step 3, one partner talks softly into your cup, and the second partner should listen into the other cup. Then switch roles and let the second partner do the talking and the first partner do the listening. Step 4, you could record your messages in your notebooks, or you can talk to each other and just compare what messages you sent and if your partner heard the exact message you said. Now it's time to get started. Go to the next Nearpod slide and watch me do the experiment as you do it too.